Golden milk, a mix of health and tradition. A drink with strong roots in Indian culture, golden milk has gotten a lot of attention because it tastes great and might be good for you. What's this drink called? It's also called haldi doodh or turmeric latte, and its unique taste comes from turmeric. In this video, we will talk about the history of golden milk, what it's made of, how to make it, and the health benefits of it, where golden milk came from. People have used golden milk for thousands of years. It has deep roots in Ayurveda, which is an ancient Indian medical system. Ayurveda is all about keeping the body and mind in balance and getting them back to that balance. In Ayurveda, golden milk has been used as a medicine for a long time, especially because turmeric is thought to be good for you. The things that go into golden milk. Turmeric, Curcuma longa, is the main ingredient in golden milk. Curcumin is an active ingredient found in turmeric. Curcumin is well known for its powerful ability to reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. On the other hand, the body doesn't absorb curcumin very well. Because of this, other things like ginger and black pepper are often added to golden milk recipes. Ginger is good for your gut system, and black pepper makes curcumin more bioavailable. In addition, golden milk recipes call for milk or plant-based milk substitutes. Most people in India drink cow's milk, but plant-based milks like soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk, and others are good options, especially for people who can't digest lactose. Sweeteners like honey or maple syrup can be added to make the taste better. Good for your health. Several health benefits may come from drinking golden milk. On anti-inflammatory effects, curcumin can lower inflammation in the body and ease the pain that comes with it. 2 effects of antioxidants. Turmeric has antioxidants that keep the body from getting hurt by free radicals. Helps the immune system. Both ginger and turmeric can help make the immune system stronger. Or gut health. Ginger may help ease stomach pain and improve gut health. 5. Sleep and stress regulation. Some people find that golden milk calms them down, which could help them sleep and feel less stressed. This is how you make golden milk. The process for making golden milk is easy. Here is a simple recipe. What you need: 2 cups of milk or a plant-based milk substitute. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A little black pepper that has just been ground. Honey or maple syrup can be used as a sweetener. Getting ready. Unwarm up the milk in a pan. Put the turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper into the milk once it is warm. Mix the ingredients together and let them cook on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want, you can add a flavoring and serve the golden milk hot. From ancient times to the present day, India's customs have passed down the tasty and healthy drink known as golden milk. Turmeric is good for you, which makes golden milk a tempting pick. But it's important to only eat a little of it at a time. It shouldn't be seen as a way to fix major health problems, but as a way to live a healthy life. If you are worried about your health, you should always talk to a medical worker. Can I drink golden milk whenever I want? If so, how long should I wait between servings? You can drink golden milk at any time of the day without worrying about getting sick, and you can make it a part of your daily life. This drink is soothing and good for you, and you can drink it in the morning or at night. But for different reasons, some people may find it more helpful or better at certain times. When should you drink golden milk? Here are some ideas. In the morning, a lot of people like to have a cup of golden milk to start their day. It might give you a little extra energy and help your body get going. Turmeric may be especially helpful in the morning to fight any inflammation that is built up during the night because it is anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. Second, in the evening, people often drink golden milk before bed or in the evening because it can help them relax and sleep better. This warm drink can help you relax after a long day because it is soothing. Adding things like black pepper and ginger can help digestion even more, which may be helpful after dinner. Post-workout. Some people like to drink golden milk after they work out. Turmeric may help muscles recover and lower inflammation after exercise because it is an anti-inflammatory. In addition, it can be a soothing way to heal your body after working out. As needed, there isn't a set time when you have to drink golden milk. Whatever works best for you, you can enjoy it whenever you want. Depending on your health goals or worries, you may choose to add it to your routine in a certain way. There is no exact rule for how often something should be consumed. In general, you can drink golden milk every day or as often as you want, as long as it doesn't bother your body or make you sick. There are people who drink it every day and people who only drink it a few times a week. It's important to pay attention to your body and change how much you eat or drink based on your own tastes and how it makes you feel. If you're worried about adding golden milk to your diet, especially if you have certain health conditions or are taking medications, you should talk to a doctor or nurse to make sure it fits with your general health and nutrition goals. What health benefits will I get in the long run if I drink golden milk every day? If you drink golden milk regularly as part of a healthy and balanced lifestyle, it might help you in a number of ways over the next few weeks to a few months. Here are some of the perks you might get. Less inflammation. Turmeric's curcumin may help lessen chronic inflammation because it has anti-inflammatory qualities. Over time, this can help ease the pain of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and make your joints healthier in general. 2. Better digestion. The turmeric and ginger in golden milk can help your digestive system work better. Over time, you may have less indigestion and better uptake of nutrients. Better skin health. The antioxidants in turmeric can help improve skin health by slowing down the aging process and maybe even getting rid of spots. In the middle term, you might notice that your skin looks younger and brighter. Or better immune function. Drinking golden milk regularly can help your immune system in the long run. If you eat turmeric and ginger on a regular basis, they may help your body fight off illnesses and infections. 5. Reduction of stress. Some people find that the soothing properties of golden milk help them deal with stress and worry over time. This can help your mental health and emotional balance. 6. Sleep quality. Drinking golden milk before bed may help you sleep better. Slowly, you may start to feel that you can fall asleep faster and have better night's sleep. 7. Muscle recovery. If you drink golden milk after working out, the anti-inflammatory qualities of turmeric can help your muscles recover, which could make them less sore and help them heal faster. Weight management. Golden milk by itself won't help you lose weight, but it can help if you also eat well and work out. Over time, it might help you control your weight by making you feel full and making eating easier. 9. Antioxidant protection. Turmeric's antioxidants can protect against oxidative stress for a short time, which may help prevent chronic diseases in the long run. Health of your joints. Golden milk's anti-inflammatory features can help keep your joints healthy and ease pain over time, which could help people with conditions like osteoarthritis. It's important to know that the benefits and length of time needed to reach them can change from person to person. Regularly drinking golden milk works best when paired with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a generally healthy way of life. Additionally, it is important to talk to a medical professional if you have specific health issues or are thinking about using golden milk as an extra treatment for any condition.